G'day. This is Jamie Foster. We're had a tenant not paying a rent for like a month, broke up with her husband and stuff. So yeah, this is how she's left it. This is a video of the damage we're gonna fix up. She's mowed the lawns, there's heaps more rubbish. CrossFit thing. Yeah. It's pretty dirty under there. Need to water blast this up. But yeah, there's a few broken windows. Yeah, just in the process of cleaning that up so we can measure it out. But yeah, there's that. These broken windows and like this, oh. What was happening out of there, you know? And this big window, it's, yeah, you can see it's pretty broken. And this one around the corner, that, and it looks like it's been broken for a long time, like their dogs have been jumping out of these windows, something like that. And yeah, we've already started a bit of a repair there. It's pretty drastic. Yeah, room one. So you can see, oh, that was finished. Oh yeah, we've got the washing machine missing. Oh, that one's broken too. Yeah. It's looking pretty bad. Your fire extinguisher. There's a fire extinguisher here, there. That's gone. Yeah, it's very minor. But yeah, there's a washing machine in there, and that's gone. And all this, yeah. I think they were only here for a year. And yeah, there's heaps of water coming out there, like fully just out of the wall. Just like dripping out here, and I've had a look. It was from this plumbing. But yeah, from like the copper piping is connected to the new PVC piping, and it looks like it's just been taped together. I could see it from under the house. Yeah, Tony renovated this a couple of years ago. Made it good, but it's starting to look a bit nasty in there. Cleaning, good.
It's come up a bit there, isn't it?
Yeah, bro, just that little corner is looking good.
The curtains being stolen from here.
Yeah, all the curtains, most of the curtains have been gone.
There's 4 new curtains.
Oh, and another nice hole. And this room really badly smells like piss. But there we go.